Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can easily create an assignment in Teams using the Microsoft Forms app. So Microsoft Forms app is a great tool and it allows you to create surveys or quizzes with automatic marking. And that data from the marking can be exported to Excel if you want to keep it in an Excel file. And the quizzes can be multiple choice, text, and they can include media like videos and images. So really, really handy tool, and it can be used right from Teams. So I'm going to sign into the demo team for today, but you would just choose the relevant team to your class. And I can see that there has been one previous assignment posted in this team. However, to create a new assignment, I'm just going to choose Assignments. And then Create. And what I'm doing is I'm creating a quiz. And then the Microsoft Forms app will appear, and I have no forms available because I haven't got any quizzes already saved. So I'm going to choose New Form. And when I select New Form, a separate window will open with Microsoft Forms. So I'm going to do a new quiz, and I'll just title that quiz as European Cities Quiz. And a description, I can just say multiple choice. You can just say whatever you like. Oops. And then add a new question. So here are my options for the question types. There's the choice, which is multiple choice. There's text, if you want to hear direct feedback through text. There's a rating system, which kind of work better for surveys. There's date, and there's other menus, other options down here in the drop down menu. For today, we'll just do a choice. And we can say Oslo is the capital of which country? Option 1, say Poland. And then Forms is really handy. It will actually give you some suggestions for other options. So I can just say Sweden, Netherlands, and then I can just add another option, and I'll type Norway. And then of course I have to select which one is the correct answer, and then I can add a point for this question. So I'm just going to say 1 point for this question and make this question a required question. And I can move on to my second question. I'll just say add new. I'll just say choice again, and this time I'm going to add some media. So I'm going to choose the insert media option. I'm going to choose an image. You can search directly for images on Bing. You can use your OneDrive, or you can upload. I'm going to upload straight from this computer, and it'll bring me to my PC. I'm going to choose this photo that I've already downloaded, hit open, and then I can type my question. And again, we can start to populate our multiple choice answers below. So you could say Milan, and then Microsoft Forms will suggest some answers for us. I'll say Barcelona and Budapest. And again, you want to give your correct answer, and then you want to give a points option. So remember your points options from the last question. So obviously if you have some questions that are of more importance, you can add more points to them. And when you are finished, you can just hit X, because if you'll notice that it's already saved for us up here. So it's kind of like Word Online or PowerPoint Online. It's always saving as we work. So I'm going to hit X, and then it'll bring me back to my Assignments tab. I can say Create, a quiz, and this time it should show the form that we've just created. So European Cities Quiz, hit Next, and then you can fill in the other instructions. If you have some instructions, here is a multiple choice quiz. Please choose the correct answers, or whatever you like. And you can give a due date. So let's just say this is due next Friday instead of tomorrow. And you want to assign to all students. And once you're happy enough with everything here, you can just say assign. And that will automatically send that assignment to all of the students who are in your class. If you ever want to view this assignment again, you can click on it again, and you can click student view of the assignment to see what the students will see. So they will see the instructions, they'll see the due date, and then they'll see the work right here, which they click into and fill in their answers and choose submit.